excited about this series. We're on the second episode of the 22-part series, discussing the language that I love so much, the alphabet of this language. And I trust that as we progress through this 22 weeks, that you will intensely start loving this language, and also search and dig into this language to find so many hidden secrets revealed in this language. So let's get started here. We're doing the second letter today, and the second letter consists of two letters, a bet and a vet. And the only difference between the two is, yes, a dot. Okay, so there was confusion in the early translations. Let me explain. So the name Abraham, in Hebrew, the very same name is referred to the name as Avraham, Avraham with a V instead of a B. So in other words, there was confusion in the translation with a dot. Okay, but let's carry on. What is the value of the second letter? 2, and its gematria is also 2. And the pictograph is a house or a tent. So scripture teaches us in Yeshua, the word, he teaches us that in John 14 verse 23, he says, if you love me, you will obey my commands or my instructions, as the New International Version translates it. My instructions. And my Father will love you, and we will come to you and make our home with you. So the two of them will come to us and make their home with us. Can you believe it? So bet, the pictograph of a house and a tent, comes in effect there. Another interesting fact about the letter bet is that our Messiah says, I am the bread of life. And he was born in a town called Beit Lechem, starting with a bet. In other words, Bethlehem as we know it, right? That's where our Messiah was born, from the house of bread. That's where he was born. Secrets revealed in the scripture. Hear this. Since we are the house, Father decided to start his word, his beautiful Bible word, scripture, with the letter bet. So Father decided in his great wisdom and mercy and grace that I am going to start my word, my instruction manual of life, with the letter bet, to illustrate how much I love my people, because I'm going to build my entire kingdom through my masterpiece of creation, people, you and me, the bet. And it's wonderful because 2 Timothy 3 verse 16, Paul writes, all scripture is God-breathed and valuable for teaching the truth, convicting of sin, correcting of faults, and training in right living, so that every person called by God can be fully equipped for every good work. What a letter! Wow! I trust you enjoyed that. And yeah, there's a further secret on the letter bet on Back to the Roots YouTube channel. We will post the link. Please go and check it out. It reveals another huge secret about the letter bet. May you have a shalom day.